Ah, well, we're here then, aren't we? We're doing it. We're taking this off. So as long as it takes to take that off, we don't have the motor out. What do you reckon? Reckon we get the motor out that quick?
Yes.
We're pulling this out, cylinder 4, not great. And then we're going to pull the head off and see how bad it looks. And some lad gave me some 3R rods and pistons, gas motor setup. Hoping to pull it down, cylinder 4 not look too bad, change one piston and rod. I feel like I was just here working on this thing. Well, the boys are here, good vibes, and we'll be right with you. Right, you good then? I'll see you later.
Yeah. Oh, man. Holy buckets. First Dan wrecks the car, and then he doesn't help us fix it. That's Dan.
Careful of the roof, whatever you do. Hard to get good help these days. Yeah, snap off the back sensor, is that what you said?
Yeah. Snap it off, we don't need that, we're working.
Right, we are ready to pull this big girl out. It's been, what, an hour and a half, maybe, potentially.
Maybe 3 hours.
We're also in the main shed that we've got, and we don't have an engine crane. Right, we got ourselves an engine crane. Yep. It turns out these absolute nobodies found a crane out the back and just thought it'd be funny to say they didn't have one.
We didn't let you drive off.
I nearly drove off. This thing looks like it's Arctic. Ancient.
It's good at looking at the two of them.
Okay, good. Either way, we've got one.
They haven't put out many RB30s.
Yuck, what's that?
Yeah, if we had a handle for this. And you
Oh, right, what else do you want?
Hey, hold on, I don't think we're lifting the same rate there. Woo! It's lowering itself. This is stuffed. So I had to jack it constantly while the boys helped. So thanks everyone. Here, go get yourselves a beer. Mate, we'll have this head off with all the manifolds on in no time.
We're going back in tonight.
Wow. I was planning on sleeping, but I mean, if roll racing was tomorrow. I'm pumped. This is so ready to go. Right, for sale. Complete Barra T56, 20 turbo. Yeah, I'd take 20.
Take it.
20?
Yeah, I'd take 20. It still runs.
$20. I don't know where it is. I'll just wash my hands too.
Oh, sorry.
Sammy's got dirty hands.
Sheep's got dirty hands, guys. Can you please send him a soap bar?
I love that. If someone wants to do hair wash.
He wants hand washed because he loves nothing more than getting oil on him from one job. How many times? 5 times?
Oh, yeah.
Has he washed his hands, you reckon?
That tap's been running constantly.
Wait, it's cold water here too. Your hands must be cold.
Do you want me to stick him up?
Oh, are you biting? Hold on, you got oil on your hands. You want to go wash that up? That's all I needed.
Good, mate.
Up and all together. Chances of reusing the gasket are getting slimmer. It can't be helped. Lift up. There we go. We're on the studs a little bit, I think. Talk to me. Oh, it's interestingly. What have we missed here?
That's
Don't tell
4.
me.
That's 4. You're looking at 5.
Is it that late? Give us a look at number 4.
Not good.
Is the ball looking bad?
The piston.
That's fine. What's the ball look like? We can put a piston in it.
Great.
So where's the piston bad looking?
On the side of it there, isn't it?
Yeah, gee, only just.
What side? Is it bent?
Maybe I bent a rod. Still a non-issue because we got rods. Maybe. Do you reckon that's enough?
Well, look, you ready? See where the others come to? Deck height?
Oh yeah, but that means this one's nearly a bit low too. Or did you go past top
I
dead?
went past. Look. Doesn't come as high.
Potentially bent a rod. Yes! We haven't bent one yet.
That's actually good news.
Fixed.
It's not hurt.
So I don't pull the sump off. It's not even hurt. It's not even.
Put it back in.
It's literally
We can
at
probably-
its limit.
We can straighten it. We can just put more
So we
boost in
can.
it.
You're telling me we can get a year out of 3R rods? What are you doing?
Washing my hands, mate.
This could be a t-shirt, you know, or a sticker.
You should get it, Bobby. Slash Sam t-shirt. At least I've got clean hands.
I might not do much work, but I'll have clean fingers. Piston is lower. You can see the height difference there. It's only 1.5 mm lower than this. So I had the dial indicator on it. I'm pretty sure it's going to be torched at the front of the piston a little bit. You can see there's a mark to show forwards on the stock piston. Well, that one's sort of gone. So I'll pull it out and I'll see how bad it looks. But I know the ball looks pretty good. So I'm still pretty happy with the outcome. As stupid as it sounds. I'm being somewhat lazy here and keeping the windage tray on, because then I can keep all the main caps bolted on. Bearings are still tip-top. That is the bottoms. It's not going to show the full story. Right, how are we? Ooh, it's got a cracked ring land, that's for sure. Not exactly torched, but the ring has let go there as well. I need to look over this thing to give you all the info. Here's the bearing that fell out. I hadn't looked at it yet. This is from the top of the rod. That's pretty good too, surely. Happy with that. I mean, I know it hasn't had much use, but I put this thing together, and the use that it has had has been pretty harsh. So I got some pistons here. This is what I've just pulled out of our motor, Penny's motor. This is BA gas motor, 3R rod and piston. This is FG NA motor, 1R rod and piston. These pistons are the same. They both have, it's a bit dark. They both have one relief on the exhaust side. And yeah, they're the same thing. Same piston, gas motor and NA motor at the moment, from what I can tell. Same piston from everywhere I look at it. But if you compare that to the one I've just pulled out, this has two reliefs, only just on the intake side. It should really be this though. Yeah, the piston itself though is different. I'm not sure what this piston is. I wonder if they're aftermarket, but I'm sure they're not. But you see differences down there. Look at it from on top. It's like a bigger piston as well. Oh, it does not want to stay for me. Makes it hard for me to show you what's going on. But yeah, you can just see differences. These are round, this is straighter. This is newer model, I wonder. I wonder if this is like OG gas motor stuff right here. It's also higher compression because the dome is just larger, and you can tell because it's got 4 valve reliefs. This one's flatter, and it's only got 2 valve reliefs. So the compression of that motor is pretty high apparently. So enlighten me. Someone tell me what these are, or if you've seen them lots. I thought I had a piston to put straight back in, and rod. I can't even see the bent side of the rod. Like, it was measuring low. Anyway, it'll rebuild. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.